All right. So, having had a good introduction to the concept of drug administration, I want to actually talk about the factors that you consider. Root of drug administration is like, okay, I have a drug, I have a patient, they have this problem. I've defined the problem, good medical history, good physical examination. So I now say that, okay, this is actually a pharmaceutical problem. So I want to basically treat this problem using drugs. So route of drug administration is more of like, okay, through what way would I get this drug to the patient? Now there are so many routes. So what will make you want to choose one route then leave the other one? So choosing the appropriate route for drug administration depends on several factors. Alright? Because you want to make sure that the drug is efficient. You want to also make sure that the drug you are giving to the patient is safe. Then you want to also make sure that, okay, the patient is actually convenient on their own side. So what are the things you consider? First is the drug properties. So chemical stability. So some drugs degrade in the stomach. All right. Inquiring alternative routes. You put it through the skin. So that it is slowly being absorbed, so that the effect is longer. Absorption rates. So drugs needing rapid actions may be given intravenous. So that one, you are basically bypassing the effect of the liver, effect of the first pass. So you are basically putting it directly into the system. Solubility, that's lipid soluble drugs can be absorbed easily through oral and transdermal routes, while water soluble drugs may require injection. Desired effects. All right. So which effects are you desiring? Onset of action. So is it an emergency condition? Of course, you have to put it into the veins, if it is an emergency condition, so that it can actually act very fast. So patient factors like age, conditions. So children and elderly patients may struggle with swallowing pills, requiring alternatives, like giving it to the veins or stuff. Compliance and convenience. Alright. So patients often prefer oral routes. Okay. Tolerance and allergies. Therefore, disease conditions too. So, is the condition all of a sudden, or has it been there? Severity, like how severe is the condition? So also drug availability and formulation. Is the drug easily available? Cost accessibility. All right. You check all those adverse effects and safety. Also risks of infection. So that's just it for this. Different factors you consider when you're trying to choose the route of drug administration to use.